Through no planning of our own, our relationship seemed to be on fast forward from the moment I got back from Greece. Since both of us are self-employed, or self-unemployed as the case may be, we were around each other nearly 24 hours a day for the last 2 months. If that wasn't enough, there's nothing like traveling together to hyper-accelerate a relationship. Although things were already looking pretty good heading into the trip, we had no idea that 5 weeks later we would be, well, semi-engaged. I was a little nervous thinking about meeting BeiBei's parents. I remember when I first saw them in the airport, though, when we landed in Dalian, I'm looking around and it's just a sea of people waiting for somebody. And most of them standing pretty calmly, except for this cute little lady who's waving frantically with a big smile on her face, standing next to another really friendly-looking gentleman in a San Francisco 49ers baseball cap.
To my huge embarrassment, at a family dinner, my relatives cornered him and asked him straight on, when and where we are getting married. I guess I can't blame them. There is no fanfare over proposal and engagement in China. The fact that I brought a boy all the way home to Fushun means only one thing. But I certainly didn't want to leave him the impression that, after 1 month of being my boyfriend, he is now expected to marry me. Fortunately, he handled the situation gracefully. My aunt let him go after stating, "The sooner the better." Everybody liked him, and he seemed very comfortable among my nosy extended family and many rounds of toasts to our happiness together.
That 5 weeks went by so fast. I didn't want it to end. It made for a pretty emotional goodbye for everyone.